or Mrs. K. How many of you are math out now? Yeah, guess what? Another math teacher. And what we're going to do is we're just going to do a simple introduction to solving quadratic equations. Who knows what a quadratic equation is? Good, you've all seen them. So that's awesome. But it's just we're just going to do just some basics. You know what the quadratic form is, ax squared plus c equals 0. It has a quadratic term, a linear term, and a constant term. A, B, and C are your constants. But the question is, how do we solve it? And we're going to look at two ways of solving a quadratic equation. And we're going to start with binomial expression, which when you factor a quadratic equation, you end up with a binomial expression, which is 2. It's got 2 parts to it. In this case, it's 0 equals a times x minus p times x minus q. dq are your x-intercepts on the graphical equation. So we have this curve that goes like this. Every time it crosses the x-axis, that's what these are. That's what this is going to show you. And like I said, it's called a binomial. So we're going to do the binomial equation and how to put it in quadratic form. And you all probably already done this, so bear with me. But we're going to use the FOIL method, which is basically multiplying the first term, in this case are the x's, then multiplying your outer terms, which is your x and -2, then your inner terms, which is your -6 and an x, and then your outer terms, which are -6 and -2. Lay it all out. And my clothes are coming up, so you're seeing everything right off the bat. So here I've laid it all out for you, and I know you've already seen it. But you don't get to answer a question because I've showed you the terms now. Combine like terms, we get our final answer of x squared minus 8x plus 12 equals 0. Are there any questions about how we got there? There we go. But I did have an example. Looks like this one's going to come up, right? We've already given us our x. So we're going to do our first term, which is x times x. So what is our next term that we're going to do? X times -6.
And then -1/3 times.
Okay.
Not sure.
Is it -1/3?
Positive 1/3.
What?
Positive.
Positive 1/3. Very good. And I did errors point that out to you, that you did have a negative term. You all know that from early on. And finally, we will have
Positive 1/3.
and there we have it. So then we're going to put all these out together. And we get this expression. So if we multiply our terms, we get x squared minus 6x plus 1/3x plus -6/3, -6/3, 0. Now, in this instance, I am not going to reduce that -6/3 over 3, although I know it goes to -2, and that's what we're actually taught to do. But you'll see in a minute that there is a reason for this. Once again, let's take this all the way through. As you can see, when we combine our middle terms or x terms, what did we get? -17/3. Does it reduce? No. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, since we're taught, don't leave a fraction in your equations, we're going to multiply both sides by 3, which means multiplying every term, which leaves us with our final term of 3x squared minus 17x minus 6 equals 0. And now you know why I didn't go ahead and reduce that -6/3 down to -2. Although that would have been proper thing to do in those cases. Make sense? Cool. And now we know the FOIL method for multiplying binomials. We can get a trinomial. What's a trinomial? 3 terms. You got it. I could talk about binomial. Binomial has 2 terms. The equation, the trinomial has 3 terms and takes the standard form of a quadratic equation. There's the standard form again. So let's say we're given this. I'm just going to relate. You already know your A is in front of your x squared. Your B is in front of your x. And then you have your C. What are A, B, and C? So here we have A equals 1, B equals 9, C equals 20. set. So working backwards, now that we've pulled it, we're working backwards. So of course, what did we do first? Factor. Which terms did I do first?
Well, it's x plus 5, x plus 4.
I know that.
Yeah, I do
But I'm talking about the x's right here. The first thing I do was break my x's apart. X squared, x times x is x squared. And we're gonna get the whole answer. All right. One of the ways to do it is we have to, is we need to factor the 20. And from the 20, we've got to get two terms that do two things. They multiply the 20, but they add to get our middle term. And so for this factors of 20, they're 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So you already have the answer, I know, but, so tell me, what are they? 4 and 5. 4 and 5. So what's 4 times 5? 20. 4 plus 5? 9. And so then if we were to FOIL this and go back the other way, we will know that 4x plus 5x gives us our 9x. Are we good with that? Yes. I know, this is cute. I'm disappointed. My clients aren't coming in. It's okay, that's still good. There we go. So it would have been nice to change the idea. I gave you negative signs to work with this time. And it's done everything. So, continue down to the bottom. Yeah. Now let's factor that out. What do we know about 20? What do we know about our 20? What do they have, the numbers have to multiply? Okay. What do we know about our middle term? So what, yes, one number has to be bigger and it has to be negative. You are correct. So, what two numbers that multiply to 20 that can be subtracted from negative? 2 and 10. 2 and negative. 2 and negative 10. So that tells us, when you put it in our final form, we get x plus 2 times x minus 10 equals 3. I tell you, we are done. Thank you for being here.